Okay. Yes. So yes, let's start with today's topic. Any topic on which you like to talk on?
Sorry, ma'am.
I have given you one topic to think about, or then you have to
Yes,
talk
yes, ma'am.
about
I
it in the
remember.
class. So have you
Yes.
prepared that topic?
No, ma'am, because the office is still working. I
Okay,
didn't get time, so that
that's fine.
will.
I have plenty of topic.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, let's talk about uh, what about your city where you are right now?
I'm in office now.
Okay, you are in office right now.
Yes. That's why
I'm
I'm
not
not.
talking about your okay. So you just
Yeah.
want to go for a grammar?
Yes.
Okay. So in the last class, we started with simple present tense, right?
Right, ma'am. Right.
Any doubt regarding it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, let's move to the next topic. That is, we will be learning one grammar topic and tense form also, as today, you are more into learning than speaking. Are you started reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you read last?
Uh,
Yes.
मैम न्यूज़ पढ़ा था एक्चुअली
Yes.
थोड़ा सा.
Correct. That's fine. The thing is, it is not that how there is no surety of quantity. I don't want you to go for the quantity that read 50 page or 2 hours, 20 minutes. Don't do that. Just read for 5 minutes, but read loudly. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes.
can see the difference. And I hope you are doing that where you are hearing your voice while reading. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And what about simple present tense? Is there any doubt regarding it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, let's move to the next part of the grammar. Uh, let's learn instead of doing the tense in the similar form, we shall be doing something related to grammar, yes, but not the tense form directly. Okay, we will be doing tense as well. But before that, let's understand when we use on and in.
Sorry.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
when we use on and in, for example, like this
Yes.
prepositions.
Oh.
Okay, like for
Okay, ma'am.
example, I will be giving you options. Tell me which one is right. Because this is a
Okay.
very important place where people make error. Okay. For
Yes.
example, I'm giving a sentence that I'm traveling on a bus or in a bus.
Uh,
Yes.
in a bus.
Okay. I'm traveling on a train or in a train.
On a train.
Okay. Then why not on a bus?
Actually, that was wrong. On a bus is right.
Okay. Then why? What about I'm traveling in a ship or on a ship?
In ship.
Okay. If I'm going under the, like on the ground floor of the ship, then, or on the deck of the ship, then what I will be mentioning? In or on?
On the deck. Actually.
Okay. So I'm mentioning when I'm going inside on the ground floor, I will be using in. But when I'm on the dock, it is in, on. It doesn't work like that. Okay. We have to use one for whole ship. It's not that we are using in or on differently. Okay. For one place. What about in a cab or on a cab? Yes.
In the cab.
Okay. And what would be the reason for using on for bus, train, and not for, you know, not in? If you go for on, then why not we use in for that? Because we have a rule in English. We cannot just say it because that sounds good. Okay, many a time we make error on that basis. That this sentence. sound good means it is right. Are you getting it?
Yes, yes.
We have to know certain rules which we have to follow no matter it sound it according to us right or wrong. Okay. So why we use on a train, not in a train? Any idea? Anything
No,
you
ma'am.
are aware of?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, very
Please
important. In
explain.
English, we have a rule. Yes. The thing is, whenever you have a space, like in a vehicle, when you are traveling in a transport, okay, and you have a space to move into it, to change your place, to make a movement freely, okay, there we use on.
Okay.
Are you getting it? Like
Yes,
I'm
yes.
traveling on a bus, I'm traveling on a train, and I'm traveling on a ship. Even if you're going inside the ground floor, like that. Are you getting
Okay.
it?
Yes, yes.
And why don't we use sorry, on taxi then? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Like as I mentioned that we use on for this reason, for bus, train, and ship. Then why don't we use on also for taxi or car? Yes.
No, ma'am. I don't understand why this is different.
Why? Because here you have, in train, in bus, there is a space for you to move freely. You can walk into it. You
Uh-huh.
can change your seat accordingly, the way you want it. You want a front seat, you want a back seat. So you have the privilege to choose. Okay.
Okay.
You're freely walking into it. So
That
that's why
time
on.
we are using on.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. But that is not the case with cab or car. Are you getting it? Like if I'm sitting on a front seat, I cannot go freely on the back seat unless I'm adjusting myself.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it is in car or in cab.
Okay.
Okay. So you got the idea when we use on and in. Yes. Hello.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
You got the idea when we use on for
Yes.
vehicle
Yes,
and in
yes.
for vehicle and the reason behind it.
Yes, yes. Understood,
So
ma'am.
you got okay. So what would be we using for I'm traveling on a plane or in a plane?
On a plane.
Yes, correct. Okay, because this is a very common error people make, very common error we should be avoiding. Okay, because we always think that we are inside it, that's why we are using in for that.
Okay.
Okay, but
If
it
we
is
are
because,
sitting, if we are sitting in the bus,
yes, in
that
the
is
bus, but
calling in.
yes,
Yes, yes. I understood now.
okay, but you can use on also. Here, the main thing is if you're sitting in a bus, instead of you say, I'm sitting, I'm traveling on a bus, that is a mean and correct sentence. I'm sitting in a bus is not a correct sentence. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh,
Like you're sitting here, that's it. You're mentioning it is the car. Like then I just want you to understand that how proper English sentence should be made.
mhm.
Okay? So it is on the bus, on a train, on a ship. Okay? And
Okay.
on a plane. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And what about if I'm saying my wall, my clock is on the wall or in the wall?
Now, of course, on the wall.
What about my window is in the wall or on the wall?
In the wall.
Yes. Just, because this is the difference we have, and people are very much ignorant for this error. Okay. a very good example of learning in and on in Hindi is that like मोबाइल फोन टेबल पर रखा है. So that is mobile phone is on the table.
Table.
So here we have par for on and me for in. Okay, my phone is in the bag.
Yes.
Okay, like that. So me is for in.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So I want you to frame few sentences regarding on and in that sense where we are mentioning, because then we will be moving to the next part of the grammar.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, go ahead. Can you frame a sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
There is a picture on the wall.
Correct.
Uh, my birthday is on the Monday.
On Monday. Okay, we
Yes.
will be working on days and date as well. So when you mention on, you should not, or specific day. You don't have to mention any article there as well. Like on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there, the or a won't be applicable.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, miss. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. I am working
Yes.
on a
Go
new
ahead. Give
project.
me a few more sentences.
I am working on a new project.
Correct. Correct.
Uh,
Okay. If I'm saying I'm going to home or I'm going home, which one is right?
sorry, ma'am.
If I'm saying I'm going home or I'm going to home, which one is right?
I am going to home. Is right.
Here you are mentioning this is where you are adding extra. To is not applicable. Okay. I'm going
Okay.
home because with the word going and home, you're mentioning where you are going. So to is unnecessary word.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going on a picnic. I'm going to a picnic is not right. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Give me such few such sentences.
Okay.
Yes.
She give a speech on climate change.
Yes, correct. She gives speech on climate change. Correct.
Change.
Okay. I'm using my phone. I'm watching a video in a phone or on a phone.
On a phone.
Okay. And if I'm saying I'm watching a video on YouTube or in YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yes. So it is we are when you're mentioning an app, okay, so it is on. But when you're talking about in general thing, there we use in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm watching a video in my mobile. फोन में वो वीडियो देखा जा रहा है. Are you
Uh-huh.
getting it?
Yes, yes.
And YouTube पर वीडियो देखा जा रहा है. Are you getting the difference?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Give me few such. You're getting on and in. See, this is a very important preposition. We have prepositions in infinite number. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But on and in play very important role to define when we use, and we have different ways of using it. At different places, we have different, but one thing is for sure that when you're specific about something, a place, a time, or just, action also, we use on when we are specific.
Okay.
But when you are just giving a general knowledge, like I'm watching a video in my phone, let's say. I'm keeping my things. I'm visiting my hometown in December. So I'm giving a general knowledge that in December I might go. Okay.
Yes, yes.
But when I will be specific, then I will use on.
Okay, man, got it.
Okay. That's so yes. Give me few such sentence. Yes.
Just a minute, man.
Sure.
She is talking on the phone.
Yes. She's talking on a phone. Correct. Go ahead.
Uh, the news is uh, the news is on TV.
Yes, news is on TV. Yes, that's correct. If you're adding playing, news is playing on the TV is also right. Okay.
Okay,
If you're
okay,
not adding it, that is also right.
okay, man.
Yes. Okay. So yes, as we are talking about it, if you have after the class, I want you to frame such more sentences and see if there is any different, any doubt. And very important, when we talk about daytime, like in morning, in afternoon, in evening, okay, we use in for that because again, I'm not giving you a specific time. So that's why in. But are we using in for night or on for night?
In for night.
Yes. I'm asking, can we able to use in for night or not?
No, man, I don't know, man.
Here we don't use in or on for night. It is here we use at night.
At night, yes.
Yes. Okay. Because here again we are generalizing. We have in the whole day we have divided it into 5 time, like evening, down, morning, afternoon. All these were time period. But night we cannot say, like beginning of the night, end of the night. We don't have that, right? It is night only. So that's why at night we are very specific here. So we use at for it.
Okay,
Okay. You see, these are a very small thing, but when you pay attention to it, you will realize and you will get more confident that okay, I'm understanding and I'm aware of it. So you can use it in very confidently. That's why I'm mentioning it. And these are the very important part of avoiding grammatical errors.
okay,
Okay.
yes.
And okay, what about when I'm mentioning a month? It is in month or in July, any month of the year, or at that time when I'm using in or an on. Sorry.
In a month.
Okay. What about for year?
On year.
Like 2025. Again, it is in a year. In year, in 2000, whenever you mention a year, a month, a festival, we use in.
Okay,
Okay, for example, I celebrate my birthday in May. Okay, it
okay,
means I'm again giving a general knowledge. I'm not very specific about the date.
okay,
Okay,
man.
so that's why it
Hello.
Month consist we use in. Hello, not audible?
यस मैम, ऑडियो ब्रेक हो गया था आपका.
Yes, so sorry for that. Is it fine now?
यस मैम.
So as I was saying, when we use for a year, when you're mentioning a year, like in 1947 we got independence. Okay, in 2006 I completed my bachelor. Let's say quite a year. No, that is not the year I've completed my bachelor, but yes. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Are you getting it? When you are specific
यस.
about a year, just mentioning a year, a month, or a festival, we use in. Okay. And
ओके.
when you are specific, for example, I will be, uh, I will visit my hometown in Diwali.
यस, दिस इज फेस्टिवल
Okay.
राइट.
But
दिवाली.
yes, festival. Okay. Second, but when I'm mentioning like Holi, okay, I will be visiting my hometown on Holi.
होली.
Is it right or wrong?
यस, इट्स राइट.
Ida ma'am,
Why?
just
What is the difference here?
Ida ma'am, sorry for interruption.
Yes, sir.
Just allow to
Yes.
Ekta. Ekta is just coming for demo for 15 minutes. Just allow her. Okay.
Okay. But yes, sure, sir. Okay. So here we use on for when we are specific, like as
यस.
on the day we celebrate Diwali for 3 days for 10 days, right?
10 days. यस.
So that's why we are using in for that.
यस.
But when I mention the one particular day, especially one day we have where we celebrate Diwali main day, right? So there you can use on. Okay, are you getting it?
नो मैम, कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट
Hello?
इट.
Like for example, when I'm mentioning time period, like Diwali is celebrated for a week. Like take an example of I said in Ramzan, I will be fasting. Okay, so Ramzan is a month for 30 days, let's say. Okay,
ओके.
but when I'm mentioning Eid, that's when I'm mentioning one particular day. On Eid, I will be on leave. Are you getting it?
यस. यस.
Here, Ramzan is celebrated for 30 days. So that's why in,
ओके.
okay? And Eid is just for one day. So that's why on. Okay. For example, I'm mentioning in Diwali, but on Raksha Bandhan. Is it clear?
यस. यस.
Means I'm just mentioning one particular day, one day festival. Then it is on.
ओके. only one day festival
Okay.
we are
And
using
when
on
I'm,
only.
yes, yes, correct. Yes.
Okay ma'am, I
Okay.
don't know.
And when I'm mentioning season, it should be, are you getting it?
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yes ma'am, yes.
And when I mention, when I mention season, hello?
Hello.
Ida ma'am, just
Yes,
continue.
there's someone,
Just
yeah,
continue.
okay. So yes, as I'm saying, when I'm mentioning season, like in summer, I take a long break. So why summer we are mentioning in? Because for month, for a year, for a season, and festival, we use in.
Okay.
Okay. And when I'm mentioning one particular date or days, we use on.
On.
Yes. For example, like when I say on 28 October, I celebrate my sister's birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And if I'm mentioning on Monday, I was not feeling well, let's say. So on Monday, on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. So in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way we go. Whenever I'm mentioning one particular date or days, okay,
Ira ma'am,
there I'm
sorry.
mentioning the name and particularly,
Ira ma'am,
yes,
sorry for interruption. Ekta just joined. They are just looking for demo. So just introduce and just keep going with it. Continue. Hi Ekta.
yes.
हाँ
Shall I
हेलो सर.
introduce myself?
हेलो मैम. आई एम एकता श्रीवास्तव.
Hello.
आई एम एकता श्रीवास्तव मैम.
Yes.
आपसे भी बात हुई थी ना.
Yes. Good afternoon, Ekta. How are you?
हाय मैम. मैम मैंने आपकी क्लास को
I'm
भी
unable to
देखा
hear
जज.
you. Hello. Yes, my name is Idam Khan and I'm here as a trainer.
ओके
So,
मैम.
Ekta, right now the class is
okay.
going on. So just be
So yes,
silent
as
and
we are
just
talking about on and in, and that's what I'm actually explaining in the class. I she's out of the class right now.
She's gone.
She left the class.
yeah. Sorry for interruption. Just keep going. Don't worry about that. Just keep
Okay.
going.
So yes, as I'm saying, Nilesh, that
Yes.
yeah, yes. So as I was saying, on and in, here we use on for days and date. So you got the idea when we use day, on. We have discussed
Yes.
about
Yes.
in. So I just wanted to be clear with on. Can you give me a few examples for the same?
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
My brother is coming on.
Sorry.
My brother is coming from Dubai on Monday.
Yes.
Is that right, no?
Yes. Can you repeat your voice? Your voice was breaking at the end. Can you repeat, please?
My brother is coming
Your
from.
brother?
My brother is
Yes.
coming from Dubai on Monday.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
See, okay, when I'm mentioning I'm meeting my friends on weekends, on Saturday, on Sunday, that is fine also. Okay.
Okay.
And these are, whenever you mention a month, a year, a festival, a season, and when you are using in and on, there we won't be using any article as well.
Okay.
Okay. Like as you mentioned, my brother is coming from Dubai on Monday. That's it. On the Monday, on a Monday, that is not like there we don't use and the.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Give me a few more sentence.
Uh, we
Go
met
ahead.
on we met on 20th February.
Correct.
My
Yes.
birthday is
What about in?
yes. My birthday is in July.
Correct. Okay. Here, if I mention my birthday is, as you said, your birthday is in July. So if I'm
Yes.
mentioning, let's say your birthday is, I'm just assuming, okay, that your birthday is on 26th July. So is it a right or wrong? The
Yes.
sentence I'm
Is it
asking,
right? Yes. This
not
is
the
right.
date actually.
Yes. This is right,
Okay.
ma'am. Actually.
So you got the idea.
Yes. Yes.
The date is also right.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
See, that's just as assumption I have taken. Okay. And yes. So yes, as I'm saying, But similarly, if I'm mentioning your birthday is you born on, like, if you mention a date, a month, and a year, but whichever date or month or year, whichever you will be using, on that basis we will be using on and in. Okay, like we
Okay.
got independence in 50 in August 1947. Okay, this is in. But when I'm saying we got independence on 15 August 1947, here you don't have to repeat yourself again and again. In August, on 25th, you don't have to mention it in that way.
Okay.
Okay, you just have to follow the date format. You just have to use any preposition, either in or on, just once.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Mhm.
and here there are few words which never require any preposition, like next, la or last. Okay, I will be writing it. If you want, if the no format, I will be giving the notes as well. That when we use next, okay, there we don't use any preposition. Like next Friday, I have a meeting with my friends, with my colleagues. Okay, here I'm not using or in,
Yes, yes,
but
ma'am.
I'm particular about the day.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah.
Similarly, when I say last Monday, I had a fever. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the word last, uh, yesterday, today, these are the words, or next. These words never require any prepositions. Are
Okay,
you
ma'am.
getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, give me few more sentences in the same way for in, for year, for month, for season, in the same manner, one sentence each, and then we shall be moving.
Uh, कौन से मैम वही ना ऑन और इन के देने हैं.
As I, yes, for on and in accordingly, as we just have discussed all of it. So for your better understanding, I want you to, if you understood the whole thing, frame sentence and say it in the class. Then we shall be moving ahead.
Okay. Uh-huh. Uh, she arrived on Friday evening.
Yes, correct.
My shop opens on 1st January every year.
Yes, correct. Okay, here when you mention every year, if you don't, then also the sentence is complete and correct. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh, she was born in uh, 2006.
Correct.
I will see you in the evening.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about the festival? What about the season? Yes.
I will visit Goa in summer.
Okay. That's correct. What about festival? Yes.
Oh,
Go
ma'am.
ahead. Like in Diwali, you will get a bonus. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually people get bonus. I hope you will get it as well.
No, no.
So yes, yes, I could relate because this year many companies are not allowing it. I don't know why. Okay, so yes, as we are getting it, I hope you got the clarity of on and in every way, in every form. Is there any
Yes.
doubt?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. After the class, check afterward on your own and see if there is any confusion and let me know. Then we can discuss again because I will be asking and we will be revising it again in few days. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
And what about time? As we are talking about on and in and time related things, very important. Whenever you talk about the clock time, it is always at.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Even if I'm saying uh, today at 2:35, I have a, I will have a coffee, let's say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever you mention a time or an address, like my friend is standing at a bus stop. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Have you seen whenever you are writing an address, there we write at. So we are very specific about the place and position. There we use at.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for example, if I'm saying, okay, I am at the house or in the house, which one is
I am
right here? Tell
I
me.
am in the house.
Correct. I reach my office on time. I'm in the meeting or meeting room or at the meeting room.
At the meeting room.
In again, just like you use for house, it is
Hmm.
similar. When you have talk about one place, you have mentioned the name where you are already are.
Okay.
Okay. I cannot say that I am at the bed in my house, I am at the bedroom. No, this is not right. I am in my bedroom. I am in the hall, like that.
Hmm.
Similarly, when you talk about when you read somewhere, there you don't have to mention at,
Okay.
okay? And here we use at for night as well,
Hmm.
okay? Like at night, I like to sleep early, but it always a goal which is never achievable on, I never achieve that. So at night, we watch reels throughout the night, let's say. At night, we do something like that. I'm just not coming up with the sentence, but you can frame it and tell me. But you got the idea what I'm trying to say here, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So with this, we have completed important part of grammar that is on, in, and at, and you understood the whole concept.
Yes, yes.
Is there any doubt regarding it?
No, still I don't have right now. But if I will
Yes.
get, I will let you know.
Yes, you should. And you will get more clarity after the class. Just randomly, you are framing a sentence regarding the things which we have done in the class. On the basis of that, if you frame sentences on your own, in your mind, you don't have to mention that as well. And see, can you able to frame a sentence on your own?
Hello.
Okay. So, yes, am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So yes, this as we are moving. I hope the next person, Roshan, also understanding and having a little clarity about the things we just discussed. Hello, or they are not in the class. I'm not sure.
Yes, yes,
Sir?
Just ma'am, just Iram ma'am, just doing the
yes.
Nilesh only. Just doing
Okay.
the Nilesh only.
Yeah.
Actually, they are just
Sure.
observing the class.
Okay. So yes, as we are talking about it, and as we have done the on and in, and these are called prepositions. I hope you're aware of it. Like in the school, we learn preposition about, right? Nilesh, as I'm talking to you.
Yes,
So
yes,
you
ma'am.
got the
Yes.
idea.
Yes.
Let's move to the next topic. Uh, can you tell me, can we go for a speaking topic?
Speaking topic, ma'am.
Yes, or you want to go for the next grammar, where I will be giving you one topic and you have to talk about it.
No, ma'am. Still, we can continue grammar topics.
Okay. Okay, let's go for the next grammar topic. That is what we have as a tense. Okay. We will be switching between the tense and the other form of grammar as well.
Mhm.
Okay. So yes, let's talk about what is when we use have and has in the tense form.
एक
Yes.
पर्टिकुलर नेम के लिए हैज
Or
यूज
what
करते
is
हैं.
present perfect tense? Let's say. Yes, correct. Like if I'm saying I have done the work before attending this class, so which tense it would be?
Yes, simple present tense, ma'am.
No, here I'm talking about something which I just completed recently. Okay, like just I have eaten my lunch before the class, let's say. Okay, before the class, I have eaten my lunch. So this is a present perfect tense, a work which I just recently, very like few minutes ago, few hours ago, I have done that. Okay, the
Okay.
work is completed, but it is not a part of a past tense, a past verb. We won't be including it into the past tense. Okay, it's called present perfect tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so here let me share a screen and then we shall be moving accordingly. Like we have done in the last class, uh, present simple, right?
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
So here what I'm trying to say is in this tense form, we use have and has with the third form of verb. Okay, like I have completed, she has done the work, they have discussed the role.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will be using have for present, but my main verb will be in the third form. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
just a second. So yes, here's the screen. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we have present. Screen is not visible.
Still not.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Not yet.
Okay, let me reshare it. Just a second.
Yes, yes.
Is it now?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, you are presenting something, but not saying. Like,
It will take some time, might be.
Yes, I have not written anything. I just wanted to tell me if it is visible or not. No, no, that's fine.
No, it's
I have
presenting.
stopped
It's
presenting
present.
it actually.
No, no, not an issue, Ira ma'am. Do one thing. Just try to again because you just opted for
Okay.
that, but it's not showing. So just click on any slide, so it will show.
Okay. Now is it fine? Visible?
no, ma'am. No.
Just a second. Huh? So you are getting it till it's get open. Let's talk about, as I'm saying, here we use have and has with the third form of verb. But it means my work is completed. Okay. And
Okay.
we are including it into present form just because it is related to present. and just few, and it is done in the just few minutes or few hours ago. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's
Yes,
So
showing.
I
it's
can ask,
visible.
have you eaten your food? Yes, now it's visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Now visible, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, present perfect tense it is. Here we use have or has. Okay.
Yes.
Plus third form of verbs. Now, what is third form of verbs?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can
Can
give
you
an
give me a few
example.
examples? Then we shall be moving. Yes, sure. Go ahead.
Yes, finish, finished, finished.
Yes, correct. What is the third form of the word cost?
Sorry?
What is the like? We have the word cost. This bag cost me certain amount. Let's say 5,000. Okay, this bag cost me 5,000. So if I want to say the same say word in the third form or in the past form, so which is there any uh, third form for the word cost?
Toss.
Yes, yes. Can I say that this bag costed me 5,000? Is it a right sentence?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yes, that's what I'm trying to say. We have certain verbs which are not changed in any other form, even if they are changing the tense.
Yes, yes.
Okay, like cost, like sent. Okay, like this, I have purchased. Here, I will be using the ed verb. I have purchased this bag, and this bag cost me 5,000, even if it is a past tense. Are you
Yes, yes.
getting it? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this we have to understand. Similarly, if I'm writing the word send, okay, I have sent the mail. Okay, this is the past tense verb. Sorry, present perfect verb.
Mm-hmm.
Or if I'm
Yes.
if I'm writing, I am sending the mail. So this is something which I'm doing right now. So I'm not mentioning, I'm just giving an idea. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will let you know about verbs and its different verbs form, the third one, first degree, second degree, and all. We will be discussing it. But as you're already aware, let's talk about in present perfect, that is in action. Okay, in action, which is done few recently. Okay, and is completed. Okay, here this with this one we can understand that what it's mean. For example, I have eaten my lunch. Okay, they have. I hope you remember when we use have and has, as we have discussed in the last class.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so have, they have. Can you complete the sentence?
Mm, they have gone to
Yes,
the market.
yes, correct. They have gone to the market. Okay, use the word she.
Okay.
Yes,
Uh, sh- uh, she has lived here for 10 years.
He has.
Lived here for 10 years.
I'm not getting what I'm trying to say. He
She
has.
has lived.
Uh, I think I'm not able to hear what. Can you spell it?
She has lived here
Yes.
for
She
10
have.
years.
She has lived here for 10 years. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Wait, that's a good sentence. Sorry, I cannot able to hear it. What about you? What we will be using here?
You have seen you have seen it before.
You have
Seen it before.
seen. Yes. Correct. That's a nice sentence. See, the point, very good part about your sentence making is that you are actually framing the good sentence, which are everyday one, okay, which we use every day. Like you're not giving me any, routine which we have learned in the textbook. You're actually, that's what good thing about you, I would say. And you actually give uh, live sentences. That's what I mean. Okay. So you got the
Yes.
idea what is present perfect tense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have I mentioned about this? That if I'm saying, okay, we will be doing that in the next class, not right now. That is a part of past tense. Okay. What about we?
We. Okay.
Yes.
We have got bonus.
Yes. We have got bonus. Yes.
The manager has just entered
Yes.
the office.
Correct. Here we are using the manager. Sorry, manager has entered. Okay. Entered the office. Okay. Very good. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're using a name, what about that?
Using name.
Yes, for example, your own name, let's say, or you're using someone else's name, then
Okay.
go ahead.
Uh, the Ramesh has got good gift.
Yes, yes. Well, can you repeat again?
The Ramesh has got good
The
gift
Ramesh
from the company.
has got good gift.
Yep.
Okay, good
This
gift
is very simple
from
sentence.
the. No, that's a good sentence actually. From the company. Okay, here you said the Ramesh. See, here you don't have to use the here. That's what I'm waiting for you to write. Okay. Ramesh has got a good gift.
Okay.
Okay. A good gift from the company. Because you're mentioning a because you're not mentioning a particular thing, right? You're not giving a name of the gift. That's why okay.
Okay.
For example, if I'm saying
We
yes,
cannot use before name.
no.
Okay.
Why I'm not using, like, for example, if I'm mentioning like a position, here we use the name, right? The manager. You're talking about the position, a person who has a qualification, a teacher, a science teacher, like that. If you mention, there we can use article. Okay. If I'm
Okay.
talking about a one particular qualification, then or profession, we can use a in the. Okay.
Okay.
I can say that the Indian government again,
Mm-hmm.
okay, but I cannot say the India. Okay, we can say India, the India as well, but if you don't add the there, that is also right.
Okay.
As you're giving a name already, article is not necessary. If you add it, it will be an add-on, unnecessary repeating verb. So I hope you got what I'm trying to say.
Yes, yes.
You can, the teacher I can say, but if I'm mentioning my name, like, like, if I'm mentioning a teacher name, then I won't be using the with it. If I'm
Okay.
saying the English teacher, it's fine. Okay?
Okay, I understand. The English teacher had just entered
Yes,
the classroom just like that, right?
yes, correct. But if I'm using a name, like Iram ma'am, I enter the classroom.
Mm-hmm.
So here I don't need the for that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So yes, what about uh, give me two more sentence and we shall complete the 10 sentence as you are giving a good sentences as it is. So yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, the more practice, the more correction we will be getting, right? That's why.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Uh, it has rained a lot this week.
Has rained a lot
This
this
week.
week. Okay, here we
Rain.
don't have any, no, we don't have any, you know, uh, third verb for rain. It has rained a lot this week.
So इसमें ईडी नहीं
This is
आएगा
your
क्या?
talk. No, because this is you're talking about a season. I cannot say that summered.
हाँ.
Okay,
Yes, correct.
that's why. But and I cannot say rains.
Rains.
No, that is also not right.
Okay.
Okay, it has rain a lot. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
and okay, one more thing where we have the word called hair. So, what is the plural form of hair? Can I say has? Like the
Yes,
person
ma'am.
has? No, we cannot. We don't have any plural form of hair. I think I
Okay.
have. Okay, very important. Like I'm not. I cannot say that this is one's string of hair, or even if I'm mentioning the whole hair of my head, it is hair only, and I cannot use are with it. My hair are looking good, or your hair are looking good. No, this is not right. Here we say your hair is looking good. Okay, like that.
Okay.
Why? Because here we are using this is the plural and singular verb both.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why. See, English, as I told you, is a little weird language. Sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it doesn't. So we have to learn the rule of it.
Yeah.
Okay? Yes,
Yeah.
give me two more sentences.
Okay. Uh,
Yes. You're doing good. Very good, in fact.
they okay.
Yes.
They have gone to
They
Mumbai.
have gone to Mumbai. Okay, correct. Now, as I told you, you mentioned before that I have gone to office or I have gone to home. Why that was wrong and this was right? This is right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you get the idea what I'm trying to say here? There
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
just okay. I have gone to Mumbai because I'm telling you here this is very particularly that it
Because
is from
they are still there, actually, maybe.
no, that is not. We are using to here. That's what I'm mentioning. I'm talking about to.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Like for example, you mentioned I have mentioned before the sentence called I have gone to home. Is this right?
No, ma'am, no.
It is I have gone home. This is also right. But when you mention to going to one name, giving a name to a certain place, okay, and you're specific about that place, then you can use to. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Okay. See, this is very confusing at times, but when you get a habit of it, you will automatically framing sentence according. Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
fluently.
yes.
Okay, go ahead, frame new sentence, last sentence. Then it will be over for you to sentence for today. Okay,
Okay. Uh,
go ahead. Yes,
uh, he has just eaten dinner.
he has. Very important. See, when you mention he has eaten, if you mention this one, it means he just has eaten. Okay, you don't have to add just with it because has itself will indicate that this work is done recently.
Okay.
Okay, he has eaten snacks, let's say, if we have talked about lunch
Yes, ma'am.
already. Okay,
Okay, ma'am, okay.
so yes, with this we have completed present perfect. And if you have any doubt regarding it, we shall be discussing it again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Anything else you want to know more about the things which we have done till now? Any doubt about the previous thing
No.
which we discussed?
No, ma'am, no.
So, are we going good? Is it fine for you for the way we are going?
Yes, yes.
Or you want?
Absolutely, ma'am. It's very fine.
Yes, and I would suggest that you have to be little more regular because now you are at the stage of learning new things, okay? And
Yeah.
in this class, you are speaking throughout the class in English most of the time. Majority of the time, you are speaking in English. Okay, so do not break that habit
Yes,
and
ma'am,
try to
yes.
be regular. It's not
Yes, yes.
compulsory. I can understand that it happens because of work, but being regular will give you more, better result than prolonging and having a break.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
yes, let's continue in the next class then, shall we?
Yep.
Okay. So yes, sir, can we end the class now?
Yes, sure.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay,
Sure.
Nilesh, it was quite
See you
good
then. Have a great
conversation.
day.
Thank you.
Yes. So
Yes,
see you.